Hello everyone, today in this video we have a keyboard from the company Yanzi, specifically model X75. It comes in this gray box. See here, you have QR codes on the Yanzi company's social media. Let's not drag the video out and get straight to unboxing, opening the boxes now. And what do we see here? This brochure, here it is. It says here that there's the X70 Pro model or the regular X75 model. Today I have the regular X75 model on hand. And also on the enemy side we have quick access keys, some pre-programmed ones. Details first nese, for example, we see so we see here there is a possibility of key combinations using the Fen key and other keys. And it also says here how you can connect this keyboard to your computer, for example using a Type-C cable or via Bluetooth. There is also another brochure, but it's in a different language. Alright, see here we are greeted by the keyboard. Let's set it aside for now and see what else we have in this box. We'll open it from the side. Here's this pretty little black box which contains our keycap puller and candle replacement tool. Yes, we have the hot swap here. Yes, and also a white cable. To charge the keyboard, and also with this cable you can use the keyboard through this very wire. And now let's take a closer look at our keyboard. Let's remove these little things. Yes, right now it's in our package. Let's open this package. Yes, they packed it quite nicely, this keyboard. Let's take it out. And we also have this plastic insert which you can use when you're done with the computer. You just place it over and you don't have to worry about it getting dirty. Or when you, for example, are watching a movie or video, you can cover it and have your coffee without worrying about spilling it on the video screen, on the keyboard itself once we're filming. And what do we see here? We see it's white, but I thought when I ordered these keyboards it would be completely transparent, but when I received it, looking at it together, we see that it's kind of transparent but has such blurred inserts. And it would be much better if it didn't have these blurs. This is how it looks. From different angles really, why did they make it so blurry? It would have been much better if it were completely transparent. The keyboard here is 75%. On the back we can see the options to connect to Mac or Windows, a charging port and a wired connection port. Also there is a switch that lets us switch between Bluetooth, wired or Wi-Fi connections. Let's remove this film together now. So, what do we have here with you? On the other hand, with you we have these two little stands. Two legs that can be adjusted to your liking. Bade, here we have combined options, meaning we can raise or lower the keyboard slightly since we have these two axis stand. You see it however you like, you can do it that way. Which by the way is quite a clever solution for different tasks. And of course we have this sensor to connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It's placed discreetly and doesn't get in the way. Next, you can turn it on immediately. For instance, using Bluetooth, it instantly powers on, and we also have RGB lighting here. Look how beautifully it shimmers in different colors. I want to say that we have a RGB lighting here with lots of modes, which, by the way, you can customize. So it doesn't necessarily have to be just like this. You can control it with key combinations. For example, using the Finan M keys, we can change to another color like this purple one, but it shows as blue in the video, in this little blue color. And other colors like red, for example. Here it's all colorless to your taste and preference. Seriously, see how it shimmers when I turn off the light completely? Write in the comments how you like this backlighting. Well, I just like it. It looks simply incredible. Of course, you can turn off this backlighting completely or reduce its brightness. And you can also increase its shimmering intensity or decrease it. Also, here with you, we have this light indication. Now it shows us a purple color, indicating that the keyboard is ready to connect to your device. We have 3 backlights here, and they will show with the help of code mode that our keyboard is connecting to a certain device. Let's check the typing together, by the way. These are the candles. It's transparent and it's called Ice Crystal. These candles are really beautiful. And that's all I have for you. You can buy this keyboard via the link in the description. It's a nice transparent keyboard with ice crystal switches. Thanks for watching everyone. Peace, goodbye.